Welcome back to Auto Insider. Today we're diving into the 2025 Volvo Camper van, a new entry that's redefining what a comfortable, versatile, and well-equipped camper should be. Whether you're planning long road trips or spontaneous weekend getaways, this camper van promises to bring luxury and practicality right onto the open road. Starting with its design, Volvo has focused on both form and function. The exterior has a sleek, minimalist look, consistent with Volvo's modern design language. Wide windows not only improve visibility for the driver, but allow in lots of natural light, creating an airy and open feel inside. A sturdy build and aerodynamic structure help with fuel efficiency, ensuring that the van doesn't just look good, but performs well on highways and rugged terrains alike. Inside, Volvo has packed it with thoughtful details and high-end materials, perfect for anyone looking for a mobile home that feels luxurious yet grounded. The cabin includes ergonomic seating with a smooth rotation feature, allowing you to easily transition from driving mode to relaxation. The layout makes excellent use of space, with foldable tables, an expandable kitchen area, and even a cozy, dedicated sleeping section. There's plenty of room for cooking, dining, and sleeping, essentially turning your van into a mobile apartment. For tech enthusiasts, Volvo has included its latest infotainment system, powered by Google. You'll have access to Google Maps, voice controls, and a variety of apps right at your fingertips. It's a smart system that makes navigation and media access simpler, so you're always connected on the go. Safety is equally top-notch with Volvo's cutting-edge features like blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assist, ensuring peace of mind for long journeys. Under the hood, the 2025 Volvo Camper van offers an efficient yet robust hybrid engine option, balancing power and fuel economy. This makes it not only eco-friendly, but also well-suited for varied driving conditions, from urban settings to off-the-beaten-track destinations. Volvo's focus on sustainability extends to its interior materials, which use recycled components, appealing to environmentally conscious travelers. Now let's talk numbers. The starting price for the 2025 Volvo Camper van is around $80,000, which positions it competitively given the luxury, features, and versatility it offers. Volvo has certainly aimed to cater to a market that values both comfort and adventure. That wraps up today's review on the 2025 Volvo Camper van here on Auto Insider. Stay tuned for more updates and new car features every day, so you're always in the loop on the latest automotive trends. And don't forget, a new review is coming up soon, so make sure to hit that subscribe button.